on a Toysfortots rally out in St. Petersburg. This is her first rally.
Nervous.
And we're gonna be escorted by the Hillsborough County Police, so let's go.
All this traffic because they closed the bridge just for this rally.
I'm excited. This is the first time I'm gonna drive on a road where it's closed just for us, just for the car people.
Look at this. Insane.
SVJ, Vencedor, E63. Oh, this is more my type. It's my friend Erwin's SVJ.
I assume that's coming off easy.
Yeah, it'll probably be a pain to get off.
Leave it up to Eddie to be putting decals on his car while everyone's about to take off.
All the traffic is stopped.
Look at that.
This is awesome. Everyone on DMV right now is probably pissed. Like, I can feel the tension in their cars right now. Just from seeing the lines both ways, people are pissed. It's a Sunday morning, they're trying to go get their church, their food, their breakfast, and they're stuck in traffic because of us.
Oops.
You guys know about Knight Rider? This thing's pretty sick. You ever seen the movie Knight Rider?
No.
I think that's what it's called. This car's from that movie. Yeah. So these are some of the cars that made it early for the display. Now this looks sick with the carbon fiber, hood, front, sides, and the spoiler's carbon fiber. Cars and toys. With the STO, McLaren's, and she wants to see the Grinch. It really has me standing in line for the Grinch. I don't know. Grinchmas? Merry Grinchmas. Some kid is gonna get a Bugatti for Christmas. Now this is the perfect way to wrap a Huracan for Christmas. My friend Evan's Huracan right here. Now if I get a Huracan, Look, just look at this. Are you looking?
I'm looking.
So I can get a Huracan.
If I get my ring, then we can talk.
This event is actually one of the craziest events. All the kids gonna have toys. She has her popcorn. I just need my Huracan and I'll be happy. And my car. I really think a Huracan will fit me well. This car is great. Huracan. Let's get a Huracan.
No.
Alright, so that is going to be the end of the rally. A lot of the cars are gone, but now we're going to go eat some breakfast. What did you think about the rally?
It was fun. It was cool to see like all the roads were blocked off and how so many people participated.
I like having the police escort us. And that I got to put stickers on my car. That's probably my favorite part. Just adding more stickers, because my car already has a lot of stickers. We're seeing a midget table. I mean, this is the smallest table I have ever seen. The food was forgotten about, but look, this is what's left so far. So we just got done with breakfast. It was really good. Didn't get any of the food before we ate it.
We were so hungry.
I know. So we're gonna hit the gym.
How are you? How are you?
Starbucks run.
Starbucks run.
Alright, so I almost forgot that we do have an Airbnb clean because she does have a cleaning business.
I do.
And one of our major clients just had to check out today, so we're gonna go get it cleaned. And then after that, she has to study, and then we'll probably wrap up the day.
If you want the details on the order, comment below. Really mad because Starbucks took away my favorite seasonal drink, and I thought it was like permanent. So I was experimenting, like asking like with drinks all the time. I was so disappointed, and I just basically made a copycat of the one I liked, but better.
So if you guys do need an Airbnb to stay in Tampa, let me know. I will put the link in the description so you guys can come stay at a really cool townhouse. Here is the Airbnb. So we got the kitchen. Here's the master. A custom closet. I think this is just awesome. All around, look at that. And you got a tub. So if you like to take baths, take a bath right here, have some sunlight. That's the toilet. Made you get into cleaning business?
I wanted to build something for myself, and cleaning business just seemed lucrative at the time.
What is your business name?
Clean by Yali.
All right, guys. So make sure you use Clean by Yali if you're in the Tampa area. She'll make the houses look like this.
Well, not like that.
To and everything is clean. Got a Christmas party last minute. Friend Mike had to do the R8. So I'm gonna show you guys Joy Bar.